Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Happy birthday.
Thank you sa pilay.
Cut the cake. Ay. Yay! Happy birthday, Daddy. Hala. Oh, birthday? Ay, smooth mo.
टीका लगाइदिनु है केक दल्दै
Small only, oy.
Happy birthday.
सबैको बासी मुख हैन भाँचेर के यति
Yay! Nabapo.
Thank you.
Alay! Ang mabusukan. Last batcha. Oh, birthday?
Orang nak.
मैले तारेको छु मलाई
Oh, birthday, Sophia Sukriti.
Hey, what is this?
Alam, may pulgada na.
Really?
Oh, you can put how this on the book. I don't know if you also. Sukriti Sophia, happy birthday! Yay! Oh, what's your answer then? After open your gift. See guys, Sophia make guard for Daddy. Yeah, she told already, Mommy put Daddy also picture, di ba? Then her handwriting. I will read for you guys. Dear Daddy, thank you so much. Babawi. The last hour is very hard. We don't have to open the gate. See, we'll try to. Wow. Happy birthday! Oh my God! Who's that? Hala!
Thank you, Mommy. Mama ne, thank you so much for the cakes.
Chema also ka.
Thank you for Chema. Thank you for
Always
Sika.
our family.
Of course, thank you for my lovely wife and my baby and Sikiti. Thank you. Kanyo lah.
Give that one. Oh my God, see guys. The two kids is very happy. Babu, king plate, Babu. Wala, see the kids is very happy. Who birthday, Sukriti? Aw. Sukriti, aw. Who birthday? Say hi. Hi guys. Hi guys. Hi auntie. Namaste. Kay auntie. Namaste auntie. See our baby, very pretty buyag.
Nah. Sophia eat.
Now, Daddy, open the gift. Daddy, I wait na when Chema come. Open this gift. Oh. First, Daddy. Your Sophia gift. What Sophia gift?
With my picture, there is a message. I love you. Another side. Dear Daddy, thank you so much for the love, care, and happiness. Another side. Daddy, happy birthday. I love you so much, Sophia Joy. And there is a picture of butterfly. She did drawing. And another last. You are the best, Daddy. Along with the flower picture.
Wow.
Mommy, eat.
Hala. And then open for Chema. This is for Chema gift. See? Always the Chema. Our like a second family. See, too much. Oh my God. Too much Chema gift. Chema, tabas mo sa tatay mo. At kita pasok. So this is our Chaima, guys. You know already long time.
Oh, wow. Bello.
Chaima gift. You know already Chaima always there with us. Tumapusit lang, Babu. Sika, our family always. Wow. See, too much gift of Chaima. Thank you, Chaima. Deli, danya ba?
Water.
Oh, wow.
Hala, too much Chaima gift. See here, guys, our morning daddy birthday
Da.
with family.
Sure.
Our second mother here in Nepal.
Lah, boleh tau mir ni. Dosa tiya dito wa.
Oh, data sitihar all sabay ano.
One set for Dosa, one set for tiya. Pas. Finish.
Oh, now see guys, we have a blessing. Blessing for the dance and tihar. Oh, diba? Complete na. Kasi walay kwarta, guys. Walay kwarta. At least na blessing. Thank you so much, Mama Net, for the gift. Oh, na nag-red. Agay! Ipay-lipay kayo mga bata, oh.
Tulo ba ya?
Oh, it's okay, oy.
Tulo ba?
Tulo? But it's okay, oy. If the winter, no, you can put the thermal.
Ay na tulo ni sa tulo.
Bibo.
Tu exercise na.
Favorite tag na phale ko.
Exercise na pare.
Then the short.
Both times flexible sir.
Short, okay.
This short is okay.
सर्ट पनि ना म त बाउला कस्तो ठुलो भयो जे मान्छे धेरै नाम त It's ready.
La, who is Cherry?
Me.
एकदम ठीक छ.
Sukiti ang.
एकदम ठीक छ.
Na say hi. See guys, our
I got it.
our pretty baby. Say hi.
I got
Say
it.
hi.
I got it.
Na hi. Na namaste. Kay namaste. Na see? Na my name is Sweetie. Kay kunam kay. Nam na. Na meron nam Sweetie Tapa. Now si Sophia busy. Sophia busy and Sweetie. Daddy is busy for ano.
Baउलाई त लम्बाइ नै हुन्छ.
Okay, यस्तो आउली खाली रहेछ कि
बाउलाई त लम्बाइ नै हुन्छ शर्ट.
त्यस्तै खाली रहेछ क्या
एकदम परफेक्ट साइज.
Oh, wow. Now you have no tiara na dasay complete.
यसकी अलि सेवा गर्न हुँदैन अब भेटिदिए भेटेन है
एकदम सही साइज.
अब हामी पनि
हाई पॉइंट ल्याइदिएको
क्यान पनि
प्यान्ट पनि सितमै
आउ सोफिया
नमिल्छ
एकदम
Very perfect. Happy birthday to you.
यो कलर मतलब अरू जस्तो चाहिँ सेतो पनि धेरै राम्रो लाग्यो भनेर ब्लू कलर पनि
पहिलाको डिजाइनमा राम्रो थियो तर उतेजन
कम परे नै के
ए साइज थिएन.
सायदै नहुने
केक काटेर भ्याएर बल्ल बोकपुड फुटालिस
यही फुट्यो त्यो यतै आयो
Last. Allah, very busy bacha.
ठिकै छ त्यो पनि उज्यालो देख्छ ठिकै छ नि साइज
ठिक छ.
Very nice. What happened?
त्यसो आज बेलुकाको खाना यतितिर है छ.
Evening na ta will
अहिले
make
बिहान
it.
त भ्याइदैन.
That's why evening will
evening
dinner.
बेलुका पनि के खाने हो उतै दाम लाग्यो 200 को मा 180 को मा
ए बनालियो.
Here na lang. Will.
ल गयो ल बट्टे
Thank you,
गयो
Chaima. Oh, thank you, Chaima.
Welcome.
Some guys, you know already since day one, she always my hero.
Bye bye. ल bye bye.
Thank you. Say hi. Na hi. Na hi. Na bye, Sweetie. Na going to school na mga batya. Bye-bye.
ल छ. आज तपाईँ आउनु नलागे रे. आज कसैले कल त गरेछ न.
Oh guys, oh this is the Sophia birthday gift. Oh, di ba? Nagdi-ano si Sophia guys with help with mommy. Sabi niya, mommy just put also daddy picture. Oh, tingnan mo. Taga may picture. I love you. Oh. Dear daddy, thank you so much. Love you. Love you. And then care and happiness. Happy birthday, Daddy. I love you. Dronan naman niya, guys. Oh. Tapos ano? Oh, Daddy, open that one. And then this one, guys. Oh.
My wife
see?
valid.
Oh, see? Thank you so much, Mama Janet.
Thank you, Manit.
See, too much blessing talaga susurin. Hindi ba? Ang dami blessing.
Oh my God.
Bye, Security.
Ay, why you buy this small?
This is small. That's why we need to change. Oh, another one.
Oh, nice. This big
Large.
and red.
This is nice. But this is also, I think
Careful
that I
lang.
wipe the
Just.
face first.
Oh, open first and then later you on fire because it was that video.
Oh my God.
Ajol!
Here you go, yeah. Lala, unta.
Happy birthday, Daddy! Guys! Matanda na si Daddy, guys. The same me, guys.
Black shirt.
Yeah, because no, diba? Happy birthday, Daddy! Happy birthday to you! Happy birthday to you! Happy birthday! Happy birthday! Happy birthday to you! Happy birthday to you! Happy birthday to you! Tung 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 boom 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 boom. Thank you so much, guys, for watching. Please support and like. Sophia, come forward, Sophia. So today is my husband's birthday. He is now 40 years old and me, I'm already 16 years old. Me, I'm 15 years old. As per Sophia, Mommy, you are 15, that is 40. Right? Okay. Sophia, 1 minute, Sophia. Come minute, please do the... Sophia, come na for a while. Thank you, guys. Thank you. I love you so much. Miss you. Much love. Please don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you to my new subscriber and all subscriber. Please continue like and support us. God bless from Nepal and Philippines with love. I love you all. Bye.